Namaste, everybody. Welcome. I'm just going to do a short little session with you. This is just few downward dogs and planks that you can do in the morning to start your day. Okay, let's just come up onto all fours. Just take your knees wide apart, big toes touching, and bring your forehead down. If you can't get your forehead down, just bend your forearms. And then slowly coming up and taking your right foot back. Just dig the ball of your foot into the mat, push into the heel. Feel the low abdominals drawing in and upwards. And then just rocking backwards and forwards. Let's do the same on the other side. Well done, and bring it down. Just take the right foot back and the left foot back and come into your plank pose and hold it here and breathe. Breathing for about 5 breaths. As you exhale, move into your downward dog. Just straddle the feet. Drawing both heels down together. And just gently push on your hands so you feel your torso moving towards your thighs, thighs towards your hamstrings, keeping your head relaxed. Just taking a few deep breaths here. And then let's breathe in, float to plank. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward dog. And breathe in, plank. Exhale, downward dog. And just hold it here and breathe. Well done. Breathing in, coming into plank, and hold your plank for 5 breaths. Breathing in and out through the nose. Breathe in as you breathe out, downward dog, lifting those sitting bones up and just straddle the feet. Drawing both heels down. Bring your knees to the floor, knees wide apart, big toes touching, and bring your forehead down. Just bend your forearms and let your body relax. Slowly coming up, just sitting on your heels. Okay, well done.